Right now, we're at the Bolorama. My name's gonna be here one day. Hi, are you single?
No.
How are you enjoying the bowling action?
I'm scared of crying.
Get ready to see us there. Ready now. I overdressed it. Okay, what do I do again?
Just roll it down the lane.
Okay, but a little to the right. Wait, why do we have
So
to
far,
come
you're the
back?
best.
What? Oh, terrible
My thumb got stuck.
What did you say?
I said really good
I
try.
think I need a bigger one. My thumb got stuck.
She said,
That explains
she
it.
said terrible form.
Well, now I know it's because of your thumb.
I have a fat thumb, apparently.
Oh my gosh.
How was your bowling experience?
I only hit Craig twice, so like, it's whatever.
I think I did better when I just went up there and threw the ball and didn't care.
So you bowled really bad. How was your bowling experience?
You didn't say that to anybody else.
I know, I'm just joking. How was your bowling experience?
Next time, I'm going for 300.
What did you get today?
200.
What a liar. You're such a liar.
How was your bowling experience?
Frank. I think that's gonna get. She enjoyed watching Frank.
Wait, did you really want?
Terrible. Terrible. But it's fun.
Terrible.
Terrible score, but it's fun. Fun.
Terrible, but fun.